Hey guys, so today we are going to trade straight from the phone. It's a great option if you don't have laptop or computer nearby. As you know guys, I'm going to use a strategy based on technical analysis. So we are going to focus on support and resistance zones, market trends and other patterns in the market. Stay tuned until the end guys, you'll find this way not only effective but also very fun to use. Let's see if we can read the chart on a small screen. And guys, I'm ready to start. Let's go. So guys, let's start our trading session and let's here we will open a deal immediately to buy for 1 minute. Guys, we see that here we have resistance level. We also see that after the first touch of the level there was a rollback down, and after the rollback the price turned around and approached our level again. At the moment there was a certain compression of the resistance level. We see that the price has already started to go beyond the level. It is more likely that the price will continue to move up in the near future. That's why we opened the deal up here. This means the resistance level will be broken. This is where we'll try to make a profit, and as a rule 1 minute guys is quite enough in such situations. So let's wait for the end of our deal guys. Join my private channel for free trading signals. Traders, it's not bad at all. The price really continued to move upwards and we got a profit here. So we were able to make money here on this upward movement. I think it's a really great start guys. Let's continue. Okay guys, we have support level here at the bottom. We can see that the price has already touched this level before, and now after the second touch there was a rollback to the upside. Green candles are being formed, but in this situation as just opening a 2-minute deal, it is more likely that after the rollback to the upside the price will reverse and continue moving towards the level. Since the price has recently had a good potential for downward movement, the main price highs are also becoming lower. We'll try to make profit from this downward movement. I also took a 2-minute time with the margin as the price may still move in the consolidation zone for some time. It is with these movements in mind that we chose such amount of time guys. As a rule, in most cases the situations work out the same way. So let's wait for the end of our deal guys.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
So guys, it's not bad at all. The price really turned around and continued to move towards the level. We got a profit here. 2 minutes were just quite enough for us guys. The price really has a good potential to go down, and as you can see the situation worked out well. So let's continue guys. Alright, here at the top we have a resistance level. At the same time we also see that at the moment there is a confident uptrend, the price approaching our level. At the same time there's still room for the resistance level. So in this situation as just opening 1 minute deal to buy following uptrend, it is more likely that the price will continue moving towards the level, as we can see that the price has good potential for an upward movement guys. On this upward movement we will try to make money, and since there's only a small amount of space left before the resistance level, I believe that 1 minute will be totally enough. Let's wait for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens unfortunately. Well guys, the price continued to move upwards. We got a profit here, so this situation worked out perfectly, and as you can see everything is going great. Let's continue guys. We have resistance level at the top. We can also see that the price touched this level after the uptrend. After that, red candles began to form, so here's just opening 1 minute deal to sell on a downtrend. We can see that the price has pushed off from the resistance level and is moving downward, so we'll try to profit from this downward movement. The price moving downward with sufficient confidence, and I believe that 1 minute will be totally enough for us, so let's wait for the result. All right, guys, the price continues to move down and we got a profit here. So this situation has worked out perfectly. 1 minute was enough for us, guys. Confident red candles are continuing to form, so let's continue, guys. So guys, we can see that there was an uptrend. The price approached the resistance level. Red candles began to form after the level was touched. The price moving down quite confidently. So here's just opening a deal for a minute to sell, guys. We can see that the price has pushed off from this level and is experiencing a pullback. This is where we'll try to make profit, and I hope that 1 minute will be totally enough for us. In most cases, such situations tend to play out in a similar manner. So guys, I think even it will be enough with an impulsive downward movement. Let's wait for the result. So guys, that's amazing. The price has indeed continued its downward movement and we got a profit here, guys. As you can see, 1 minute was just enough for us. We were able to work on this downward movement. There was also a reversal after the pullback. So at the moment, the green candles are beginning to form. However, we were able to work on this downward corrective movement, guys. It's amazing. So let's continue. All right, guys, we have a support level here at the bottom. At the same time, we can also see that the price is approached our level at the moment. And a positive red candles are being formed, guys. At the moment, the price has touched the support level. Here, I suggest opening 1 minute deal to buy. It is more likely that there will be reaction from this level. The price will enter the correction zone and there will be at least a slight upward pullback. We'll try to make money on this from this upward corrective movement, guys. I hope the time will be enough and there will be probably at least a slight upward pullback after a confident unidirectional movement. We'll try to make money on this movement. Let's wait for the result. So guys, that's great because as you can see, there was a false break of the support level. After that, the price turned around and the green candles began to form. Indeed, there was a rollback upwards and we managed to make money with you on this moment. The time was enough. Everything is going great. Let's continue, guys. All right, here, guys, we have a resistance level. At the same time, we can see that the price has already touched this level several times. We can also see that the main price lows are getting higher, and at the moment, the resistance level is being compressed. Let's open 1 minute deal to buy. It is more likely that the price will continue to rise in the near future and the resistance will be broken. We'll try to make a profit on this upward movement and I hope that 1 minute will be enough. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Guys, that's a bit sad to say. Unfortunately, as you can see, there was a rollback down. Confident and positive red candles were formed and this level wasn't broken. Yes, our technical analysis didn't come true. It's not time to get upset. It's not always possible to correctly predict the price movement on the chart. It's totally fine. We still have some funds on the deposit. Guys, let's continue. Alright, let's rewind the chart a bit to the left and here we can see that we have a resistance level at the top. At the same time, we can also see that there is an upward trend and at the moment the price approaching at this level. So I will open a deal for 5 minutes to buy on the uptrend. Guys, it is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. It is on this upward movement we'll try to make money. And guys, I also took time with the margin in case consolidation or downward pullback. Also, at the same time, we see that there's still quite a lot of space before the resistance level. So I think this time will be enough, guys. Let's wait for the end of our deal. Great, my dear traders. The price really continued to move towards the level and this level was broken. We got a profit here. The price really has a great potential to increase. So let's continue our trading session and look for another situation in the market. Guys, we have a support level at the bottom. We also see that the price approached the level again, and then there was a rebound. After the rebound, the price turned around. At the moment, red candles are being formed. So let's open a deal for 2 minutes to sell on the downtrend. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also possible that the level will be broken since we have already seen a false breakout of the level. The price has gone beyond the horizontal line. This means that it is possible that this level will be fully broken this time. We will try to make money on this downward movement. So guys, as you can see, we already see a fairly confident impulsive red candle, and as you can see, it has gone beyond the level. Let's wait for the result, guys. Okay guys, it's not bad at all. The price continued to move down. The support level was broken. We got a profit here, and as you can see, we're able to accurately predict the price future movement. And we only needed 2 minutes. Guys, that's amazing. So let's continue. Guys, we can see that there was a good steady uptrend. Also, after touching the resistance level, there was a rollback, and now after the rollback, the price has turned around and is approaching our level again. At the moment, there is a certain tightening of the resistance level. So in this situation, as just opening a 2-minute deal to buy following uptrend. It is also quite possible that this level will be broken, since we also see that the price has good potential for increase here recently. It is on this upward movement that we will try to make money. At the same time, I also took 2 minutes, guys, with the margin, since as you understand, the price will continue to move on the consolidation zone, and only then there will be a breakout. So it is with such moments in mind we chose such time. And to determine the time to which open a deal, it's all my experience, guys. So I hope it's all clear for you. That's why it's so important to trade and train. Guys, it's time to wait for the result. Guys, it's not bad at all. The price really continued to move to the level. Also, the resistance level was broken. 2 minutes was just enough for us here. We managed to work with you on this upward movement. So these situations really work out perfectly, and let's continue our trading session and look for the next entry point. Guys, here at the top we have a resistance level. We can see that the price has already touched this level several times. There was also false breakout, and at the moment after the false breakout there was a pullback. It is more likely that this level will be fully broken in the near future, since we can see that overall potential of the price is going up. The main price lows are getting higher. So as just opening 1 minute deal to buy here, at the moment the price is still moving up and green candles are forming. On this upward movement we will try to make money, guys. It is possible that the level will be broken, which means that impulsive green candles will be formed. So after all, recently the price has been moving upward with confident impulsive green candles, and it is possible that we will get into the very impulsive upward movement of the price at the very moment of breaking the level. So guys, let's wait for the result. So it's not bad at all. The price really continued to move up, formed impulsive green candles, and as you can see, 1 minute was just enough for us. We had enough time to work on such movement. And guys, as you can see, I already have $7,500 on my deposit. I think it's an amazing result, and this is the end of our trading session. This is the end of our trading session. As you could see, we had so many great opportunities today to earn. Yes, we had one unsuccessful deal, which happens on the market. That's totally fine, and no need to feel upset or sad about it, because as you can see, thanks to the strategy and thanks to the way I trade, I always try to protect myself from bad situations, and as you can see, I always handle them quite well. It proves you once again, with the solid strategy, you can read the chart even on a small screen of your phone. I didn't feel limited at all, and I was able to find very solid setups for today, guys. So if you are guys on the go trading from the phone, it's super convenient. And as you can see, the most important, we got a really good profit for today. Keep working on your skills, guys, and I'm sure you will see a great result. Guys, I want to remind you that I have a close community where I share my trading signals. They're totally for free, and if you want to join, guys, text me a code word signal on my Telegram. Where is the link and all the essential information? It's down below. Don't forget to check it out. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and put a big thumbs up to this video. I'm trying my best to deliver you really nice and interesting tutorials on trading. And so, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.